China on Sunday issued a white paper detailing the demographic development in Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region, slamming groundless fabrications against Xinjiang by various anti-China forces. A Pakistani economist said that the white paper reveals quite a number of things which debunk a number of conspiracy theories in the West against China.
If you take a closer look at the economic landscape of Xinjiang, you will come to know that it's more than that. So overall, this document reveals quite a number of things which debunk a number of conspiracy theories that are being developed in the West against China.
The Uyghur population in Xinjiang has maintained a relatively high growth rate, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 1.67% from over 8.34 million in 2000 to over 11.62 million in 2020. The growth rate was much higher than that of the country's ethnic minority population, which stood at 0.83%.
Looking at the social aspects, like how the ethnic minorities have been growing, the usual rate is 0.83, but in the Xinjiang province, it's going at 1.67, which is higher than any other province, and for the minority ethnic growth rate. And you can look at the rate on which the urbanization is taking place, the industries are being set up. Even after the pandemic, we see that the province has been growing remarkably in terms of the economic fronts. And later on, we can see that the quality in terms of the high life expectancy.
Salman suggests that people who want to know a real Xinjiang should go there and see for themselves.
So without experiencing the country, how you can just believe on few videos or on few interviews which are completely biased? I would suggest that one should need to understand that when you are going to the region, when you're going to the country, experience it and then tell your narrative, then that would be the right news, rather than just creating these negative stories about any country. That is pretty criminal.